like rolling?
Yeah.
Like it's on the ground?
Well, it's on the ground. Why are you still sitting? Come on.
Let's go! That's a big girl.
Just saying. Thought it would be bigger.
What do you mean you thought it would be bigger? Those are 42s. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. This thing's freaking cool.
This thing's fucking insane.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing a little bit something different. You guys see it's part 6 of 5. That's right, we got a bonus round for you guys. So we got the whole company out here. We're about to reveal the truck. You guys haven't really seen the truck, and neither have they. And today we're going to be revealing it and then deep diving this truck so you guys get to see every little bit. Let's show them.
So this is kind of tough because there's people here, there's people there, there's people there. So we're just gonna work through it the best that we can. Now, if you've been around the shop over the last couple weeks, you know that this has been undoubtedly the biggest pain in the truck build that we have ever done. It's a brand new lift kit that we've never worked with before. We had it sent out to powder coat. We were missing some parts. The management's still being a pain in the We had new bumpers we never carried. Everything about this thing has been a literal pain in the but to see it all come together is super cool because not only is it a really dope truck build, but also this is gonna be the first of hopefully many of the next chapter of giveaways here for Custom Offsets. So I'm super excited to be a part of this. The entire Custom Offsets team is super excited to be a part of this. And we're really thankful because this isn't possible without each and every one of you guys, from web devs that helped us build a website, graphic designers that have helped us get to this point, Banker and Hunter, of course, working literally 16-hour days to put this thing together last week. It's been a combination of every single person involved, and we couldn't be happier to bring it to you guys today. Yo, this thing slaps.
Yeah.
Like, there's no other way to say it. Look at this thing.
It's super satisfying too to know that like we did everything right.
Yeah.
Right? Like we used the biggest, baddest companies we could and did it all the right way. And the fact that it like came out and turned out and it's like driving and we're able to go and take photos and just like appreciate this thing now, it's like, we did it. We built the baddest truck we've ever done before, and it's sick as hell.
Yeah, I mean, everyone from Gridiron to Banks to TIS to Kelderman to, I mean, Sticker Dude at the wrap and the guys that made the emblems for us, and just everything is done so well, and it's so freaking cool.
I think the reason why I see so many like smiles right now and everyone kind of chilling and relaxing and just happy is just because like the last, what, 4 months that you guys don't get to see was a literal show. I mean, like, to say the least, it's like, I mean, late nights, you know, not just Banker. I mean, even all of us, like from editing content to, you know, making sure the plan was on track, making sure the whole team stayed on track, capturing literally everything.
Has slept at all in the last 3 months.
Yeah, no.
Well, I put a lift kit in a 2021 2500 HD because it was a customer build, but Banker had to work on this thing, so I was under there just wrenching away.
Yeah, like the
11 o'clock at night.
sacrifices to even like the families and everything when we got to stay late and, you know, sleep a little less that night just to make sure that we could get it done on time. So that's the cool part, looking back, is just
right here we are. It's done. It's awesome.
Yeah.
We can appreciate it now.
Oh man, favorite part or process of the build? Can I say all of it? I don't know, man. It's super cool. I think for me it was super cool to bring everyone together to make this thing happen. We pulled so many resources And you know, in some of the previous episodes, we talked about war rooming and pulling everyone together and knocking out action items. And we did so much to make this thing happen that it was super cool to bring literally every facet of Custom Offsets together to put that truck together that's behind me right there. And that is a rolling testament of all the cool stuff we can do.
I think seeing all the parts come in and all of like the powder coat, once that was all done, was probably my favorite part, because after that it starts kind of going on, and Banker works 13 million hours per day, and you blink and 3 days later he's put in 58 hours and the truck's like pretty much done, and it just kind of got muddy at that point. But when all of the parts came in and you kind of started seeing like the color that it was going to be, you had the truck that was already wrapped on a lift with a bunch of white components coming in, and then some white and red and black and red wheels kind of getting rolled in, and it just started coming together, and the vision started to kind of be like, yeah, we're doing this, it's happening, it's all coming together, it's gonna be one giant build, and it's gonna be sweet.
I think my favorite part of the build and the process is the building aspect. So I've touched on it before, you know, that's what I miss the most. You know, now that I kind of consider my truck done, I'm already looking forward to the next build. I'm very like addicted to the build, to the steps, to the process of building something crazy, taking a vision and making it a masterpiece, a dream come true. And that's what we got to do with this thing. So I would say a combination of that, and also the fact that not only was I able to be involved with, you know, creating all the content on it and really bringing this vision as a team, and being in front of the camera with you guys and taking suggestions, I think that was another favorite part, as well as putting out the content, putting out the videos, and really putting out a cinematic edit that really told our vision and our story to you guys.
But no, my favorite part was probably, you know, getting the Kelderman kit installed. It finally started to look like something. It's finally started to look like we're making headway. So that was probably my favorite part.
I mean, I don't know, man. Truck's done, looks great. Just kind of hanging out. Like what do we do with it now?
We gotta go SEMA.
Yeah, we gotta go SEMA. That's true. Yep.
And then I'm gonna buy it. Let's
You
go,
wish.
dude. I wish. That's my dream
talking-
truck.
We have been talking for the last 2 years about giving away a truck, and I think it's finally time. That's right, we're giving away this 2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty plus $20,000 cash. And if you're wondering when you can enter, the answer is right now if you're watching this video. The easiest way is gonna be picking up some of our exclusive gear and apparel available for this giveaway. Every $5 gets you one entry, and if that's not enough, we're also giving away 3 sets of TIS wheels with this giveaway throughout the course of the truck giveaway as well. And on top of that, if you still need more, we've got a bonus 10 times entry for this first week.
And we want to thank our build partners and sponsors on this build. Obviously, we would not be able to do this without all their help. So obviously the biggest one being TIS. You guys see their logo on the side in the wrap. You guys see the massive 26x16 forged wheels. And then Kelderman with a 10 to 12 inch air ride kit. We've never done Kelderman, and right away they wanted to hop on board, and this kit is amazing. Sticker Dude wrap down the side. So they really wanted to play in with this build, allowing us to build the biggest thing we've ever built to date.
Plus, with every t-shirt or accessory you guys pick up, we're also making a donation to a great cause, and that is the Warrior Built Foundation. Now, if you're not familiar with them, the Warrior Built Foundation is a charity dedicated to helping the veterans of this great nation through really awesome activities like motorcycle building and going to drag races, going to concerts, other recreational type therapy, so that way they know that they're not alone in this journey. And this 2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty SEMA build could be yours.